Hello everyone, I am Sukirti. I am an educator guiding, helping and motivating students from last so many years. Welcome to my channel Learn, Practice, Achieve. Today we will discuss few extra questions related to HCF and LCM in our practice session 3. So let's start. Now the first question, extra question of this practice session 3 which are related to HCF or LCM, that is find the least number which when divided by 15, 25 and 35 leaves a remainder 5, 15 and 25 respectively. Okay. So find the least number. From the question itself we will know that least number means we have to find out the LCM. So first find out what are the numbers given for which we have to find out the LCM. So the number which when divided by 15, 25 and 35, the number we don't know. So let the number be x. Number is equal to x. So when x divided by 15, so first find out whether x when it is divided by 15, what you will get. When you will divide it by 15, you will get the remainder 5. Again, when it is divided by 25, when x is divided by 25, you will get a remainder 15. And when x is divided by 35, you will get a remainder 25. Okay. So if you will see all these three divisions, do you find any relation between the divisor and the remainder? Yes. What is that relation? 15 and 5. So if we will subtract 15 and 5, then we will get 10. Okay. Again 25 and 15. 25 minus 15. Again we will get 10. And 35 and 25. Again you will get 10. Means here in all these cases 10 is a constant factor. Means when we will subtract the divisor and the quotient. Okay. Divisor minus quotient is always a constant factor. Let it be k. Okay. So here k is equal to 10. Now because we have to find out the least number, then we will find the LCM of 15, 25 and 35. Find out the LCM of 15, 25 and 35. So to find out the LCM, first of all we have to find out the prime factorization. So to find out the prime factorization, for 15 we can write 3 into 5. For 25 we can write 5 into 5. And for 35 we can write 5 into 7. So to find out the LCM, LCM is equal to the highest power of the number, okay, the common prime number, that is 5 to the power 2, then 3, then 7. So when we will multiply all this, then 25 multiply 3 multiply 7, we will get 525. Okay. Now 525 is the number or is the LCM of 15, 25 and 35. But when we are finding out the LCM, in all these cases, these numbers 15, 5 and 25 are the remainders. So now the remainder, when we will take the divisor and the remainder, we will get 10 as a constant factor. So what is the number? Number is equal to 525 minus the constant factor 10. So that is equal to 515. So 515 is the least number when it is divided by 15, you will get a remainder 5. When you divide it by 25, you will get a remainder 15. And when you will divide it by 35, you will get a remainder 25. So check this answer and tell me whether it is coming correct or not. Now question number 2. Find the greatest number which when divide 34, 90 and 104 leaves the same remainder in each case. Now here in this question, again you have to first find out whether it is a LCM question or HCF question. Now the question is find the greatest number. So if it is written greatest, largest, then you have to find out HCF. Okay. Now try to understand this question. Greatest number, which when divide, means the number we don't know, means that is the divisor by which when we will divide 34, 90 and 104, it will leaves the same remainder in each case. Okay. So let the number, let A is equal to 34, B is equal to 90 and C is equal to 104. Okay. Now what we will do to find this greatest number or to find the HCF, now we will subtract A and B, B and C and C and A. Okay. So when we will subtract A and B, means because A is smaller and B is greater, so here we will subtract B minus A. So that is equal to 90 minus 34. What you will get? 56. Then 104 minus 90. C minus B. That is 104 minus 90. You will get 14. And third one, because 104 is bigger than 34, again we will subtract C, A from C, that is 104 minus 34. So you will get 70. So these are the three numbers we get to find out the HCF. So find out the HCF of these three numbers. 56 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Then 14 can be written as 2 into 7 and 70 can be written as 2 into 5 into 7. So when we will find out the highest common factor of HCF of these three numbers, then HCF is equal to, the common factor here is 2 and here it is 7. So when we will take 2 and 7, we will get 14. So the required number or the greatest number is 14, which will divide 34, 90 and 104, so that we will get the same remainder. Now let us check whether the same remainder is coming or not. When we will check it, so 14 we will divide with 14, 34. So 34 divided by 14, 14 2 ja 28, remainder is 6. Now 90 divided by 14, 14 6 ja 84, again 6, and the last number is 104 by 14. So 14 7 ja 98 and again you will get 6. So if you will check the answer, then also you will get that in all the remainder, when you will check, the remainders are okay. अगर आपको मेरा आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी नहीं भूलना। ये एक्सरसाइज में हमने जैसे न्यू क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए हुए हैं, ऐसे सारे एक्सरसाइज खत्म होने के बाद हम न्यू क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे। और अगर आपको फिर भी कहीं पे कुछ डाउट है या कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है तो आप मेरे को ईमेल के थ्रू कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं या कमेंट बॉक्स में भी लिख सकते हैं। So please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my new upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.